In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the language translation option in Facebook profile so that you can translate your complete profile into a different language. So first of all, if you are in your PC or desktop, you can click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner. But even if you're using the Android version, you can still go to the top right hand corner to find the Facebook profile, or you can click on the bottom to find that. So it has all the similar options. What you do after that is click on settings and privacy and click on settings. And under the preferences on the left hand side, you can see the language and region. Just click on that. And here it says language you'd like to have post translated into. So if you want your post to translate into a certain language, you can turn that feature on and you can enable any kind of language translation for all the posts. And after that, you can just close out of here because the changes will be saved right away. And that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.